how to sign into Discovery Plus on mobile. To sign into Discovery Plus on mobile, you could either install the app or use the browser version. So if you want to install the app, simply go to your app store, type in Discovery Plus and hit the search. Now there you have this app, so you could go ahead and install the app. And if you want to use the browser, just exit out, open any browser that you have, and there you just want to type in Discovery Plus and hit the search. Now this is gonna take you to their official page, and in order to log in, you could simply go ahead and select the login button at the very top right. So here you go, select the sign in button, and you could go ahead and enter in your credentials, an email and a password associated with your Disney Discovery Plus, and you could select the profile of the person who is watching to start streaming. So this is how you're going to sign into your Discovery Plus on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.